Hi friends, this video shows how to transfer photos or videos from laptop or PC to Android mobile phone. So here in this laptop, let me go to this photos folder. So here we can see some images. So I am going to copy this image from this laptop to this mobile phone. First we need to connect mobile phone to laptop or PC. For that we need a cable. So here I am using this type C to USB cable. This end of the cable we can connect to mobile phone and this end we can connect to laptop or PC. So let me connect this end to mobile phone. Okay, done. Then in PC or laptop, open my computer or this PC folder. Then keep this window open, because when I connect this end of the cable to laptop, and here you would be able to see a new folder. So let me connect this end to laptop. Here we can see one pop-up, Samsung Galaxy. That means this laptop has detected this mobile phone, and here we can see a new folder, Samsung Galaxy folder. So that means this laptop has detected this mobile phone and it's successfully connected to this mobile phone. Let me open this folder, and here we can see internal storage. So this is the internal storage of this phone. Let me open it, and here we can see the folders. Let me go to pictures folder. So right now this folder is empty. So let me go to same folder here. Go to my files, internal storage, pictures. See, that folder is empty. Okay, then from this laptop I am going to copy this image. Okay, copied. Then go to this PC, Samsung Galaxy, internal storage, pictures. Let me paste here. Done. So we can see same image here. That means I have successfully copied that image from this laptop to mobile phone. Okay, so next I will show you how to copy photos or videos from mobile phone to laptop or PC. So let me close this. Then in this mobile phone, let me find one image. Let me go to downloads. Here we can see one image of dog. I am going to copy this image from this mobile phone to laptop. Again open this PC folder, then go to Samsung Galaxy, then go to internal storage, then go to download. So this is the location where that image of the dog has saved. So let me copy this. Okay, copied. Now I have copied that image from the phone. Then go to computer, go to desktop, then create one new folder here. So let me paste here. Done. See, now I have successfully copied that image from mobile phone to laptop. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.